Welcome to Libra Computers, where learning is fun. In this video, we'll learn how to create a photo album in PowerPoint, and how to edit the photo album. Now, let's begin. To create a photo album, go to the Insert tab. Click on Photo Album and then on New Photo Album. Click on File/Disk to insert the pictures. Select the pictures and click on Insert. You can change the order of the picture. Simply click on the picture you want to move and then click on the arrow keys to move them up or down. Select the picture and click on Remove to remove the picture from the list. Select a picture layout and frame shape for your album. A preview will be displayed at the side. You can also add captions if you like. Or, convert the pictures to black and white images. Click on Create after done. You can change the title as per your preference. Change the background to make the picture frame more visible. Add a transition effect to make the photo album more presentable in slideshow view. To make changes, or to edit the photo album, go to Insert tab. Click on Photo Album and then click on Edit Photo Album. Make the required changes. Click on Update after done. Time for a short recap. To create a photo album, go to Insert tab. Then click on Photo Album and New Photo Album. Insert the pictures and then apply the desired layout and frames. Click on Create after done. To edit the photo album, go to Insert tab. Then click on Photo Album and Edit Photo Album. Make the necessary changes and click on Update after done. Thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel.